Alright, imagine waking up and Samsung's next Ultra phone is already starting to leak. In real life. Not renders, not blurry guesses. Actual hardware. And that's exactly what just happened with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, because the leak floodgates are officially open. Let's start with something oddly exciting. The SIM tray sounds boring, right? Except it's not. Trusted leaker Ice Universe has shared live images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's SIM tray, and this tiny component quietly confirms a lot. First, yes, dual physical SIM support is here, though as usual it'll depend on the region. But the bigger story is the colors. These SIM trays showed up in multiple finishes, basically locking in the main color lineup for the Ultra. We're talking black, black shadow, white, white shadow, blue, Galaxy Blue, Violet, and Ultraviolet. And out of all of them, Violet is shaping up to be the star of the show. This is the one Samsung is expected to plaster all over its ads and launch visuals. That said, none of the other colors look cheap or boring, and there's even talk of an orange version popping up later as an online-only exclusive. Now charging. And yeah, this part might split opinions. According to updated info from leaker Ahmed Qwaider, the base Galaxy S26 is sticking with 25-watt charging. No jump to 45 watts after all, that's definitely going to annoy some people. The Galaxy S26 Plus, on the other hand, stays exactly where it is, with a 4,900 mAh battery and 45-watt charging. Safe, predictable, unchanged. But then there's the Ultra. And this is where things get interesting. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to support 60-watt fast charging, paired with a 5,000 mAh battery. That's a genuine upgrade, and one Samsung fans have been waiting for. And here's where the leaks really start stacking up. In just a few hours, multiple trusted insiders have dropped back-to-back details, and once you connect them, it becomes pretty clear that Samsung isn't playing it safe this year. One of the most intriguing features being teased is something called the private screen. Ice Universe basically said, if you don't get it yet, just watch the demo video, because once you see it, it makes sense instantly. This doesn't feel like a small display tweak or a gimmick. It feels like next-gen screen tech straight from Samsung Display, possibly inspired by concepts we've seen at events like MWC, but finally refined enough to land in a real flagship phone. Then came another leak, and this one is aimed directly at power users. According to Ahmed Qwaider, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming with 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage. And the way he said it matters. Short, confident, no fluff. Be ready. Confirmed. That's a big signal. It suggests Samsung wants the S26 Ultra to be a true long-term performance monster, built for heavy multitasking, on-device AI, and not feeling outdated anytime soon. According to Ice Universe, this is just the beginning. Over the next 2 weeks, we're entering the most intense leak phase yet for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Not vague rumors, but consistent, detailed drops. Think high-quality renders, official-looking assets, and maybe even early marketing material. In other words, the S26 Ultra is about to stop being a rumor and start feeling very real. If this is the direction Samsung is going, this could easily be one of the most interesting Ultra phones we've seen in years. And trust me, this is only the start. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of all the upcoming S26 Ultra leaks, you know what to do. I'll see you very soon with the next update.